Okay, we have another Xbox One X. We're going to test. The HDMI port looks fine from the outside, so we're going to test. It's supposed to be no video, but we shall confirm. No video. Capture's up there on the left. We'll give it a second. While I drink some coffee. Okay, we definitely have power and no picture. I think it's safe to say that we have no picture at this point. Give it a few more seconds here. Okay. Well, in order to diagnose this, we're going to have to take it apart, and we'll give the HDMI port a once over, and we'll look it over, and then it'll probably end up being a retimer. All right. Finally out of the housing after stripping a screw on accident. So that definitely caused me some delays. Not fun. Anyway, we need to take a look at the HDMI port a little closer just to make sure. This shop usually changes the HDMI port, so if there had been an HDMI port issue, they probably would have dealt with it. And it looks pretty good physically, but we'll go ahead and run it through some tests. All right. Yeah, I'll make sure we're connected on the meter. Not that you really need it for this, for continuity, but we have it on screen for a reason. We want all these to be continuous straight through. Okay, now we're going to check connection between through. Okay, nothing on ground. That shouldn't be on ground. And nothing on ground. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the signal is getting to the retimer. We can measure around the retimer, but again, it rarely presents itself with a short, but it doesn't hurt to check. I'm just checking what looks like signal side, and everything seems fine, but it's probably still dead. So we will go after the retimer. While I'm setting up my equipment, I will throw this up for you. That is the temperatures we'll be using today. All right. Switch back. Let's get after this. Okay, let's give it another inspection here. Visual inspection. Make sure we have no I guess we could use a little additional light for this. Alright, see if I can get that in picture for you. I just want to make sure we have no micro bridges or anything of that nature. Make sure it's flat on the ground and aligned well on each side. Or flat on the board. Slight misalignment there, but all connections are making, so no need to get anal about it. If they were way off, then we would be worried, but they are not, so we're not. Alright, everything looks like it's making contact. There are no bridges. It is in the right orientation. Yes, yes. Alright, it's always a good thing to check, even though, you know, because it can become old hat and you can make a mistake, so always check your orientation. Anyway, we'll put it back together and test. Okay, we're ready for a test. Pretty much. See how we did. Find my button. Capture's up there in the left-hand corner. Power out. See if we get a picture. There we go. That's a good sign. We'll switch over to capture. Let it boot up. Okay. Go to settings. TV display options. Change to 1080p. Yes. B, and we're back to main screen and we are getting full HD. Alright, well, that's everything I really have to show you for this video. That was the job. We came in with for no display. We've restored display, so I'll take it back to the shop and let them do their thing. And that's it. If you have any question about the equipment I use, it's all down in the description. See you next time.